So before anything, you know, I can pull that back this way, and then I can kind of push it over this way because I've got this one disconnected, right? I can just kind of pull on this pipe this way to give me enough room. In fact, maybe I'll just do that here real quick. I'm just wanting to show you as much as I can, I guess. Oh, yeah, that pipe is heavy too. Okay. So now when I pull it over this way, it'll pull off of that wall too. See? Is the idea. Is the idea. Get it pulled away a little. There we go. There we go. There. See, now I can get in there. See, I pulled it away from where it was, and now I can reach in there because it's away from there, so I can cut it there. See how that's messed up? That's because the duct tape got loose and there's a root that started growing in there, so I'll have to look at that. But see, this one I'm going to cut maybe there and over there. That pipe is heavy. You know why it's heavy? Because it's full of that sand, grit, decomposed granite, and roots. My. That's what you're going to have happen. 25-year-old landscaping. If you move into a house that's 20 years old, be prepared. This is the type of stuff you're going to have to do. And if you've lived there for a while, shame on you for not checking out these containers. These containers, make sure they're clean. Now see, I haven't cleaned this one out yet, but see, there's about from the bottom of the 3-inch pipe on down, it's about 1.5 inches. So I'll have to clean all that out, and that's how much of a cavity you have at the bottom of one of those. See, for stuff that will accumulate that you can clean now and again. Yeah.